hakkas öelda?
Graafik on paska, aga muidu on parem.
Ma ei tea, see Video Ninja lihtsalt nii pask.
Okay, we are live. Hello. Okay, now we're gonna go on in English. We have 5 minutes until the opening of New York market. So yeah, let's get ourselves ready.
Ma küsisin käest, kas mu layout on kõik õige, sest et Video Ninjas ma näen, et see on tagurpidi.
Ei, layout on okei. Aga väga raske on aru saada, isegi mina nagu praegu sinu streamis siiani ei näe midagi nagu, et see on nagu nii säbruline sul ekraan.
No ma ei tea, miks see nii sita kvaliteediga on. Me peame Video Ninjas midagi muud leidma, see ei ole jätkusuutlik.
Ma ei tea, iga päev räägime sama ja okei. Peale laivis oleme muidu ka. So complain in English. When you have something to complain in English.
Okay.
Let me see also if I can see us live. We are definitely live in here. Let's see what it is talking about right now. And yes. So let's see. Trading view näeb puhta pildiga. Transition. Käime siia. Räägi midagi, Antti.
1-2.
Okei. Sinu sound tuleb läbi hästi. Ja üleüldiselt nagu probleemi ei ole, välja arvatud, et su screen on veits kehva kvaliteediga ka.
Oota, ma teen refreshi. Oota, üks hetk, ma teen refreshi.
Okay, let's just do like this. Trading view. Okay, so where we are right now? So Antti went into silent mode for a moment until he's back. We're gonna just stream right now the trading view screen. So we're looking right now the indicator. No, by the way, it's like these live calls we have done now a couple of times already. Oh, now it's good, Antti. What did you do?
I refreshed Video Ninja, aga 460 kilobaitti sekundi.
But it's still very big, like in a screen. It's not like exactly right size. It's still lower size, like it was before. But now it's much clearer quality.
Okay. Wait.
You can see it on in live as well. If you're gonna open it up. Sorry. I didn't do the transition.
I don't know why Video Ninja is not reliable.
Maybe need to pay. I don't know what everybody else is using.
No idea.
Because right now the thing what is coming into live, it's not at all good. That sucks a lot, even in a phone view. Even when I'm 1 meter away, it still sucks. I think when I put this little screen on the door, then it's gonna look normal.
Let me check also.
Okay, so anyway, before you start setting up the rest of the things, Antti, have you checked any setups right now? Do we have something to wait for? Do we have any orders in already?
I mean, I still have the same orders from yesterday.
Yeah, me too. but those are pretty far, I think.
That is correct. What we
So
can actually, let me check.
so right now there is gonna be 1 minute, yeah, New York opening. Am I correct or?
I mean, so you probably cannot see anything, right? My upload speed is complete disaster. I don't know why.
Auntie needs donations. So if somebody wants to donate for Auntie internet, then
It's not the
we need to
internet. My
we need to
internet is
collect the
good.
extra. We need to collect extra $10 for the next month.
It's the freaking Video Ninja that is so
Yeah.
garbage.
Excuses.
Why else it's 85 kilobytes per second?
I don't look at what this mine is showing. Mine is showing
But Kent, why we don't do
130.
Kent, why we don't? Let's do Zoom over Zoom. It's better, I guess.
Sure, do you have a subscription? I don't have anymore.
Me neither.
Okay, let's try Google Meet.
Yeah.
Make a link and send. Let's swap the screen and let's see. And by the way, but before you go, before we try that, regarding the setups, is there anything to look for right now, or what do you suggest the people to do?
So 4 hour has not broken through yet. What I would like to see is a little bit higher tap in, at least on futures chart. Let me see on the Honda. So 4 hour is also holding, but again, I would expect that we would go at least 4018 up to 4043 range area. That could be our potential sell zone.
Yeah. But we have like almost 200 pips to go in there. Should we like maybe buy right now? Or we are keeping everything very safe and we don't trade at all against the market, against the trend?
I mean, there was a buy opportunity earlier in the London session. Actually, I was thinking to buy in from 3985. Could have made a little bit over 100 pips. Yeah, 200 pips actually. But as you can see, it's just consolidating. So this is kind of no trade zone. It either breaks higher or breaks lower. I'm hoping that it is actually coming back to yesterday's drop area, where it started to fall, where we missed our trade with just 70 pips. If we can get into this area, that would be a good sell zone for me that I would target. But yeah, I would like to not buy from this area. But anyway, let's set up a Google Meet and see.
Try with Google Meet. Send me the Google Meet and let me know. Let me know the link.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna change the screen meanwhile for the trading view for everybody else who are watching. My English, as you can notice, English is not my first language. Transition. But you already, if you already listened to me before, then you already know it. Hello, people who are right now watching. You can also write into always in the chat, where you're from, which area you're coming from. Do you also have an accent like mine, or you can speak English properly? For trading, we don't need English too much. When I was in school, I don't learn very well how to speak in English, but then one moment I traveled to India, and while I was in India, then I learned to speak English, or I learned Indian English first, and yeah, that's why I'm speaking in that way today. We have more people live right now. Antti, let me know also when you're back in. Okay, no.
Yeah.
You are, yeah. But why you still in? You needed to make the link. Needed to make a Google link. Let's see. Okay, so for people who are watching right now, we currently we are not buying yet. We might be buying, but we have a sales orders from yesterday. What is in? So it is somewhere. I need to check actually. Where is my sales orders? Let me see. My sales orders and Antti's as well from yesterday sitting inside. He displaced sell limit orders 4051 and 4060 is my orders. What is right now waiting to be executed. And yesterday when we put it in, the price kind of like it get pretty close to that before it started dropping. If we could get into this trade, it would be massively profitable. It was like I think 400 pips plus fall in price, so that would have been good, but we didn't get into the trade. So yesterday's trade is still pending. We did not take it. Now what we're doing right now, we still think that the price is gonna go up before it's gonna go down again. So we're waiting for this moment when the price is gonna raise a little bit. So from 4,000 something current price to 4,051 at least before it's gonna drop again under $4,000 price. So this is what we're looking for. And right now we are also, as a secondary thing, we are looking if we are able to make also some buy order in here. Let me see, I'm gonna connect Antti again into the Zoom. So let me change also the view. Let's see, let's do it. Hello. Just to join. And please wait until the host is gonna bring you in. Host, where are you? Hello. Okay, so you can see my face as well. Antti, can you hear me?
Ikka.
Okay, so we have other participant in here, but I think it's good. Like you can share the screen, just share from your side. Let's see how it.
But oota, kas sa näed mida?
Yes, I can see my beautiful big face right now on your screen.
Nii, aga nüüd?
Just that you guys also would see that what we're talking about. Okay, this is getting a little bit better, but only thing is that my window is like now in a random place in the corner and it's not in the intended place. Otherwise it's like it's good. So people who are live, they should be also seeing now this. Let's see. We have some people come and go, you know. Like every day we have some issues with the quality. But this is like this is wild. Actually right now we can see if the Google Meet is gonna work, maybe it's gonna be better.
Quality is much better.
The quality definitely looks also right now. I'm watching right now the live. This is totally different. Okay, way different quality. Come on, we don't do anymore.
I told you it's It's the freaking Video Ninja.
Antti, you tell nothing. I tell you yesterday the whole time, 2 hours in the Zoom, this live. I'm telling you, this is a Video Ninja. This is Video Ninja. You are like, no, this is a video. Oh, this is my computer. Oh, this is my all the other things. What is not Video Ninja? Now today you're starting to say, oh, it's a Video Ninja. No? Come on.
Yeah, it's live.
It is live, yes. Drama. Let's see.
Okay, so what can we see on 15 minutes?
Kuule, aga sorry, change your layout a little bit as well after, but should we enter in here or no? Should we make a purchase in this green line or no? Or we should make a sale in here? Because like actually in a short term, when you're looking, you have this bearish order block and also going down, and also you have arrow that is showing down. So when using the indicator, then this is, if I understand correctly how to use this indicator, then we should right now sell, or actually we should have sell already like in that place where the like 3-4 candles ago. What time frame you're looking right now?
15.
Okay. 50-minute time frame. So what Antti is gonna say?
Wait 1 second, I'm checking.
Okay, let's see.
So if I'm just looking based on the price action on 4 hourly on the futures chart, I would not want to sell right now because I show you.
I'm gonna put your zoom back. Wait. Video on this screen. Okay. Show now.
So here is the 4-hour chart on the futures chart. And if you just look based on the price action and the candlestick closures, then this 4-hour actually closed through the candles on the left side. So we potentially could go a little bit higher. And here we can also see a fair value gap. So that would be our potential sell zone over here. But again, I would not want to buy just yet this area.
Okay, now be a little bit more specific and tell what we're looking for. What is the signal that you're looking for to make an entry?
The price is consolidating, as we already mentioned earlier. So
what means consolidating for the new viewers?
Consolidating means it is just range bound movement. You can see that it's not forming any higher highs, higher lows. It's just
stays in the same place. It goes in a sideways.
Yep.
Okay. And why we don't trade the time when it is consolidating?
Because there is no volume and there is no structure. So that's why it's a little bit hard to trade over here.
What time frame you're looking at now?
Right now this is 1 hour. So at 1 hour we are kind of in a resistance, but again I would like to sell in the upper side. Yeah, that would be also around 0.7 fib line, so that would be pretty good entry over here. I don't know if we can catch the upper one that we wanted to catch yesterday.
But you think we should sell like 0.05, something like that?
No, 4022 or 20 is kind of a range start.
20. 20 range start. Okay. So when I'm looking right now, when I'm looking the order blocks, blocks right now, I see like this, that there is like there is one like a 4,000 line, right? Which is like when $10 the price is rising, and then like basically a place where the last arrow was also. And then the next one is like 4,000. 4,035. So you mean that the entry would be 4,035? You want to go in there to short it in there?
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm looking at your screen also, but your screen is smaller. I'm looking right now my screen, but I'm streaming your screen. I'm looking.
The sell zones.
Yeah.
The sell zone starts at 4,017 up to 4,044. That's where we look for sell.
17 to 44. But how you're seeing that this is the sell zone? Because like what you're looking for that?
So basically, I don't want to sell in the bottom. That's kind of a rule of thumb. So if you check this, 4 hour.
Okay, you are in a 4 hour frame.
Wait.
No, 50. You are 15 minutes showing, right? Okay, so I have a question for you.
Wait.
Question for you, Antti.
I will explain this first.
Okay, I will listen.
So we are at the 4 hourly chart. You can see 4 hour. We are at the bottom. You don't want to sell at the bottom just yet.
This is not visible. This is not visible what you're showing in the right side, because you have this red box what's showing zero profit is in front. Or this white box what is showing zero profit. Okay, now you can see. So okay, show what you're showing.
We are at the bottom. We are at the bottom. You don't want to sell at the bottom, because when the price goes up, you are in a big drawdown.
Yes.
But also at the same time, we don't want to buy, because there is a potential that the price pushes through. So
we don't gamble.
If we cannot,
okay.
Yeah, we don't gamble. So because trading is waiting game, so we wait right now. I would like to get into discount zone, because that's the last push from yesterday. And if we go into, let's say, 15 minute, in the 15 minute, if I put here fib line, then the discount zone starts from the premium, starts from the 50% line up, because we are looking for sell, right? So we want to buy around, ideally between 0.618 up to 0.786 in the fib line. That is kind of a golden zone for this push that was yesterday. We don't want to sell. We don't want to sell here, because then the range is 500 pips. That would be too much for your account. That's $50. That's 25%.
Yeah. But now it's like we are showing the indicator as well. So how is this indicator right now showing where to enter?
So let's see. On a 15 minute, the order block upside is 4,035.
Yes.
Which is again inside our sell zone. Right now, it is also showing here that there is a potential sell, but the green order block is opposite, so that's too close. That's why this setup is right now invalid.
That's why I was asking from you, Antti, before, that if you want to wait 35, so 35 is basically where is the red order block is starting. So are we waiting for that? That's what I was asking, and you said that no, you would like to sell in 17 or something like that. What is not red at all?
Yes. So as you can see now on 1 hour, we have a big order block over here, and this is definitely one point of interest of this current price range, and that is also within our sell zone. but the reason why I marked it here, 4017, is that here is a fair value gap. I want to see how the price is reacting from this area. This doesn't mean that we already set setups or set entries. We're just monitoring. If the price comes here, gets rejected, we can get a very good entry on 5 minute or 1 minute time frame. But if the price pushes through, doesn't get rejected here, then the potential next zone is over here. This would also align with our trend line that is coming all the way up from the last 3 weeks. So these are the potential 2 areas that I'm looking for sell. But again, we have to be patient because we cannot predict the market. We have to act based on the price action. And right now there is no price action. It's just dead. We are waiting most likely what Donald Trump is going to tweet.
It's too early. I think he's sleeping still.
Yeah, little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, but in the meantime, what we can do, we can actually check also some other stuff. So what is DXY doing? So DXY is a US dollar index, and they are very heavily correlated with gold, because gold currency pair is gold versus dollar. So usually when dollar goes up, gold goes down. When dollar goes down, gold goes up. And what we can see over here. So dollar is holding baseline, but again, also not doing anything right now. What is Bitcoin doing?
Why you're showing the white box overall right now in the middle of the screen? The place 0. I think meanwhile when you don't have any trades, so like you can a little bit reorganize your dashboard. So because
actually, wait, this must be a glitch because on Streamlabs it's on my corner.
No, it was always in the center. Yesterday also. Okay, now it's better.
Center?
Now it's better. Every live it has been in the center, in the same place. Yes.
Why you didn't tell me? Because in my scene it's on the right corner of the trading view.
Anyway, I think you can put it next to your face somewhere on the right up in there, and you can play over, because right now we are gonna have these camera views. So next time also I think we're gonna do it through the Google, so you can play with our camera views. Also put it in the good place. And right now the graphics is like just so much better right now. With the Google call is like, it's unbelievable. I'm so impressed. After the video.
Where is your camera?
What do you mean?
I mean your camera side, like what I'm seeing is never mind. So okay,
I don't know how you are able to move, because I have not tried. But 100% there is a possibility to move, because you can.
What? Where?
No, my camera. Your camera is now in place. It looks okay, but when my camera is in the corner, then it's like it's still weird. It's not synchronized. And how is sound right now? Is okay, huh?
My sound, your sound is good.
Yours is also good. Your voice is weird, but sound is good.
Voice is weird?
Yeah. It's like like something like this.
I don't know why is that.
Talk also what you're doing, Antti.
I'm just scanning the markets, looking for potential setups.
Okay. Meanwhile, when you're
So
looking setups, I will tell a little bit about possibilities. Let's see what is in here now. Okay, transition. Let's do it like this. So what are the possibilities? We have also a channel in Telegram where you're able to get every day different trading ideas and tips. It is totally free to join. You don't have any obligations coming with that. You can just go and join that group. It is under my video link in YouTube. You can check it out in there. You just click the link and you enter. And then there is also another place. By the way, Antti, tell when you find something. There is another group as well where there is hundreds of people trading behind multiple traders. Behind multiple traders who are professional. These are not us. Like we are rookies. We are just learning. We are able to make a pretty good profit, but well. There is the guys in that group. They have millions of dollars in the account. They're trading in front of everybody else and giving out also trading tips like when they are doing and how they're doing and what they're doing and blah 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 whatever. Right? So you can follow those trades as well, and you are able to get into that group. If you do want to come to that group as well, you need special permission, and to get the special permission, you need to join first this group. What is still under the video. And there is also possibility to get yourself the indicator, what you see in the screen, what you see on the screen of Antti. I'm gonna share again Antti's screen. So this indicator, what is showing, basically it's showing when to enter. If you show closer, Antti, actually I will show it from the trading view. Okay, give me a second. I will show you in the trading view directly. So I'm also having this filter. Or this this filter, what do you mean? What indicator, right?
indicator,
Yeah. Starting to already old, right? And you can see in here also directly the arrows. Like when the arrow is basically forming, then 9 out of 10 times it's going in that direction. It of course, like you need to have a little bit of knowledge how to use it as well, so that you would not blindly just go with a first arrow, but there is like a 3-4 things what we're gonna watch, and this indicator is making trading so much easier. So you can also own this indicator if you want it. Same thing, you come into this Telegram group and you're gonna ask. So the link is under the video description. And then what else? Then we have also possibility to join some totally passive copy trading options. They are not gonna teach you too much, and they are way riskier in the sense like if you are not gonna manage your money yourself, then obviously you're not gonna have no control over this, and it's better of course for you to learn and to use it yourself. But if you really want the passive source and you just want to put it in the copy for somebody who is already has been doing it for a while, and on the side, for example, maybe you learn, so you're growing like 2 pockets at the same time, then this possibility exists as well. And how you're gonna get that possibility into reality is you go under the video and click on the Telegram link, and you still come into the same channel. So whatever you're deciding to do, then you should go into that group and make yourself a member. As simple as that. Antti, did you find any good
Not
cues.
yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Waiting.
I hope
waiting,
we're gonna
waiting.
get something soon. I want to go to gym still, and it's already it's already pretty late. I'm getting tired already.
I just came from gym 1 hour ago.
Yeah.
You
Congratulations.
see, I'm smart. I'm smart, not like you. I knew it that I'm gonna live, so I don't have time later.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations. You're very smart, Antti.
I know. Thank you.
Muscles for brain, eh? Okay, no, we just joking in here. We actually not enemies at all. if somebody thinks that. No. All good. All good, all good, all good. Okay, so. Oh. Okay. Something is happening when I'm looking right now at the screen. I can see that it was going through the green, last green. So it was going through that. If it's now gonna keep dropping, then it's gonna be drop, right? You think it's gonna be sell then or no? Because in that case it's not gonna be bottom, eh? Or what you think?
I want to see the 4-hourly candle close through, a 1 hour candle close through the lows. Then it would mean that we are actually going down.
4-hour candle closes when? How long time? 29 minutes more, eh?
I mean, that's on the CFD charts. On futures, it's 1 hour more, 1.5 hour.
Oh my god, Antti. I'm gonna die in here before. I wanna trade. My fingers are itchy.
That's the reason why you blew up your several accounts last time.
Yeah, that is true. I have so much right now wish to do it, to make a trade. But I know that in this case, if I would right now trade, it would be still be a gamble. In some sense, well. So if we would believe the order blocks, then in 4 hours it was already going from the last bullish order block. It already went through multiple times, and it's like consolidating in that place, that same area, and it was bouncing a little bit back. Went through also the other order block. What is when I'm looking 1 hour chart, for example, the bearish order block, it also went through before it started now dropping again. But
you're talking what time frame?
4 hours and 1 hour. So 1 hour right now also. If I'm looking right now this, I'm gonna. You don't see it when I'm sharing the screen, but when I'm right now when I'm looking right now 1 hour chart, then I see 3995 is the bottom of the bearish order block. But before that, the price already went through that. So when it first like, okay, so it dropped down, right? So the price dropped 3969. This is already like 1 day ago, I think, or something like that, more or less, or half a day ago at least. So is the bottom is 3969, right? Oh. And now it's dropping beautifully. So basically the same green order block what is in the bottom, it went back up from there, and now it's coming down from like bounce from one to another, and now we have a one very big long candle right now. If we're taking 1 hour chart ongoing right now, what is like so bearish momentum. Now is like some kind of news or something, or what?
No, today is Friday. Today is no news.
Building
I mean, at least
permits Prel. What is that? Housing starts.
Random news.
Michigan consumer sentiment pearl. I don't know what those are.
There are no big impact news.
Well, I don't know. The prices is yeah. Okay, so if the price would go like this right now, and if it would go on the next this bullish order block, where it was not going through yet, is right now 3970, right? So from there it was not going lower, and there is like a big block under it. This.
So I want to see some market structure to be forming. So in
what time frame?
In many time frames. Right now we are just ranging. I want to see if we are going down now. I want to see a market structure shift. That would mean that we are actually going to close a candle through here. Let's say like this. Closed candle through on, let's say, 1 hour. In the next 25 minutes, I would like to see the candle push through, ideally in a strong, big fat candle. Then it would already indicate that okay, we are ready or getting ready to go down. So the next thing is I would like to see that the price is coming down and coming back up around this 376, 371 area, getting rejected and then going back down. That would be our next entry model.
Okay. Very interesting. I would love to make this one trade before we're gonna go into the weekend. Forex traders' life is so difficult.
New York session is just about to start.
What do you mean? Is not started yet?
I mean, the volume is just slowly kicking in, but you don't see much volume right now. It's just coming down a little bit. I mean, usually New York session, you are looking something 600, 700 pips moves. Now it has
I
just
also remember this
that
when we were trading the signals, then it was like always when New York was starting, it's like better don't be in.
Yeah, but again, it's Friday. Usually good traders doesn't trade on Friday because Friday market makes sometimes funny moves. But again, we that's also one reason why I want to really wait for the confirmation to go in, not just FOMO in that, oh, now it's going. It might not go. It might just fake it out right now. What's also a possibility is that it's going to wick through and it instantly reverse and start flying higher. That's also an option. So that's what I want to see first, what's going to happen.
By the way, meanwhile, when you're not doing nothing, fix my camera.
What do you mean? What do I fix?
Fix my camera location.
How?
Look in the live. Put this back on and look at the live.
So this camera is in the corner. It is in the corner because you are sharing your screen. So this camera is on your end. I'm not doing anything.
But can you put okay? Can you put my camera? Let me see.
I don't think so. Here is no such settings.
But how did you put your camera into that window, into your window?
I mean, for me to be able to put your camera into Streamlabs or OBS, I need the source. but in Google Meet, there is no option for this kind of source to pull your camera data.
You can. Is your Google Meet is it your separate browser or a tab?
It's separate browser.
If it's separate browser, then you can do it like this.
I mean separate tab.
If it's separate tab, then do it like this. That go to your OBS, and then you from the OBS settings you are gonna take the same way as you're sharing the screen and you share the window. I'm gonna tell you immediately what it is. So you go to share window capture. So you take the screen capture. Then
No, I can't because it's also showing on my corner, my own camera.
Yeah, but you take different stars.
Wait. Check now.
Where is it?
Okay, so the gold is dropping.
Yeah, I know that there is like this your picture on the corner. You can turn it off. I already turned mine off, and then you can make this browser as my video feed.
Okay, it's not important right now. Wait, we need to check the market.
Okay, now it break the structure.
We haven't broken anything yet. Wait. We actually had earlier opportunity to snipe in from 1 minute, but missed it.
Yeah, you don't listen to me. Told you already. So what now?
Nothing. We wait.
Okay. Meanwhile, you're waiting. Fix the camera thing. Just share. Put this one. Yeah, exactly. That one. Put off. Minimize. Okay, good. And now you use this same as a source. This window capture as a source for the feed. Ei liian vai?
Oota.
So if somebody's watching and thinking to do a stream with 2 people, then don't use Video Ninja. Video Ninja is total crap. Better use Google. Google Meet. Oh, it's so sad that we didn't short it in there.
Okay, now it's pushing.
So what we're gonna do?
I'm looking. Wait.
You say that this is not breaking the market structure?
On the CFDs, the chart that you're looking in MetaTrader as well, the structure break would be around 3952 would be a clean structure break.
Okay, but it depends on the time frame, isn't it? Every
4
time.
hour.
What do you mean?
4 hour.
Okay, but in a smaller time frame, it doesn't make any difference. You only trade 4 hour.
For the structure break, yes. 1 hour as well. But 1 hour hasn't closed yet. Let me try to fix this camera. Capture source. Video capture.
But this OBS is actually pretty cool. I learned to love it in past 3 days. It's like it's kind of like a professional TV, some kind of cameraman software, that you can like just do scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, 3, 2, 1. Look at his face.
What is this? Do you want people to see and hear you in the menu? What the heck is this? Ma ei tea, mis see on. Ühesõnaga ei saa praegu.
Oota, kas sa ei saa seda brauserit panna ekraanile?
Ma ei viitsi sellega tegeleda, sest mul on vaja keskenduda praegu turule, ma tahaks mingit setup'it saada.
No keskenduda, ma ütlesin sulle enne, pane kaamera pane settingud paika, jätad viimasel hetkel.
Ma ei saanud seda, Nii. Me hakkame breikima seda.
There's people in here who later watching and they don't understand your Russian or Moldovan or whatever language you're speaking.
Russian, Estonian.
Yeah. Russkaya vodka, varblastest vodka. Antti, let's do a setup. Let's make one trade.
You're so impatient. Oh my God, goodness.
Like, I have a million other things what I could do right now. Not so impatient at all. How much we are already streaming in here? We like 1 hour in live already soon. Boom, 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 boom.
If you trade New York, for example, you need to expect that you are trading approximately 3 hours, because within 3 hours you can get a good solid setup. It depends how big is your, like how much volume, how is the market structure, how much pips you want to collect. But on average, between my time 8 to 11 or up to midnight is the time when I'm trading. So it's not like within 30 minutes you're done. It depends on the day and depends on the session, but that would be the time that you need to allocate for the trading window.
Okay.
Yes. So, mis meil siin on? I'm gonna try. Yeah, I'm gonna try something.
What do you wanna try? If you make a trade, then tell also the others.
No, not trade yet.
AKA tell to me.
What was this? kuidas mu heli on? Kas on mingi vahe ka või?
ei, heli on hea.
Küsisin, kas mingi vahe ka on?
ei tea, keegi iniseb seal, muud ei ole.
Väga huvitav, et see Google Meet siis moonutab seda heli.
aga mis viga siis on?
Ma ei kujuta ette, ma panin muidu mikrofoni järgi. Tavalise mikrofoniga on hästi puhas heli.
Ma ei tea, mina ei kuule erinevust, aga sul on võib-olla ruum on nii vaikne ja sul kaja ei ole, siis on Maci mikker on täitsa okei ju.
Jah.
aga täna on meil esimest korda hea kvaliteediga videonid ja tulevad, ma ei tea, kui hästi see conversion töötab, aga ma Youtube'is nagu convertib nagu shortideks ka automaatselt. et iga kord paneme midagi juurde. ja noh, why we speaking in Moldovan. so yeah, I'm sorry, this is my bad. When Antti is asking anything in our language, then I start automatically responding in other language. We very smart, we know many languages, you know. Anyway, the bottom line was what we were talking about.
My microphone.
Your microphone. Okay, so we were talking about Antti's microphone. By the way, why we're talking about random topics is because we don't have a trade setup and we don't want to gamble and just to make a trade, but we want to have like signs, what is clear signs showing us that okay, now is the time to trade, and then we're gonna do it. But right now we see that the best time when usually to trade is like there is two times what I feel like, and I think the best one is early in the morning Asian time. I don't know what market is opening then. When Asia market is opening, right?
Tokyo is opening 8 a.m. my time, so it is 7 a.m.
That's good time to trade. Because when I was in Bali also, I was like always this time I got the best trades because there is like really beautiful signs, clear momentum, clear direction, easier to trade. And then it's like also when we did 2 days, we do it like lunchtime, so 6 hours before right now. 7 hours even, 6 hours before right now approximately, when it was also pretty like good, but
so you can see my screen,
of course.
So Tokyo is starting for you 7 a.m. London is starting 2 p.m.
I'm looking it from baby pips.
Yeah, 2 p.m. is London, New York is 7 p.m. And my time, Tokyo is 8, London is 3, and New York is 8.
Let's see. Yeah, this is baby pips. I was also looking before from there. Somebody wants to find it, you just go to baby pips something.
You can just type in Forex trading hours.
But it's giving so much different ones. I think the baby pips is good because like it makes it clear in every time zone very easily.
Yeah.
Okay, what about oh come on, why we did not short Antty, huh?
Waiting for good entry.
Exactly, yeah.
Right now missed it.
If some of you guys also came in and you went in, then write also in the chat. And also like you can write in the chat where you're from, where you are, answer some questions. And the good questions would be, what is your name? Who is your mama?
You bought it now?
No. Very nice.
You know, Borat is coming out with a new movie soon.
I was just looking, I see accidentally some interview yesterday when I go to sleep, when this Sacha Baron Cohen was like, in some kind of TV show. And come on, it's like, this guy is like, he's really hilarious. I did not like, first time when I watched Borat, I was like, huh? Why do I like this? That it is so stupid, you know. And then it's like I watched it again like a couple of years later. Then I was like, okay, this guy is a genius, you know. And you know, he done like so crazy stuff. But it's like the impro is like in another level. Wow.
True.
He went right now and he got like arrested somewhere. I think he was like he went to this some kind of football match now as an LEG and then had like created some kind of drama.
Yeah. I want the fork on the table. No, you cannot fuck on the table. No, I want the fork on the table.
Antti.
I was talking about cutlers. Fork,
Antti, what
fork.
you talking about? I like big na 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 na.
I actually took one trade today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Around lunchtime. But I took it on GBP CAD.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I only took 0.5%.
Okay.
But the trade actually went pretty long. Wait, let me see. GBP CAD.
Yeah, show your trade. Oh my god, how it is jumping down. Oh.
So I went in from went in from now 15 minutes. I went in from here.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, wrong thing. Short.
You know what we're interested about?
I went in here, very short stop loss, like literally 8 pips, and I took like 13 pips because here was this fair value gap, and I was expecting it to reverse, and it ended up reversing. So I secured the profit, but later on I was a little bit busy, so I missed the new entry. That entry would have been freaking 70 pips. That would have been, with my lot,
$3.
like no, like 7% trade. But yeah, missed it.
Okay. I found your picture in the computer right now.
You found my picture? Why you have my picture in your computer? Are you weird?
It is true. Busted. It's some kind of presentation picture of yours. And made ultra wide screen. I don't know where you used it before, but I see a lot of like this old time banners and stuff from 2022. I look so young in here, man. Happy I'm not that
you were young back then.
I'm happy that I'm not that young anymore. Different problems. Anyway, so what price we're looking now?
Just monitoring.
Monitoring.
So the 4 hour is about to close. Now there is kind of two options. One option is to wait. Another option is to go in from the 4 hour closure. But this is a little bit risky.
Yeah, we are trading gold in a forex market. That's not risky or what?
No, I mean.
You mean that it's not a very strong setup?
No, I mean the stop loss is a little bit big. And
Well,
also, I mean, for example, whenever the 4 hour closes like super bearish like it is right now, we can, there is kind of high probability that we are going to drop very rapidly 300-400 pips. But that would mean that the stop loss would be needing to be very high. That's like 4% trade. And a stop loss, it's too high for me. There is also a possibility that we don't get any trades today because it didn't come into our sell zone.
And?
So it means that there is a possibility that we don't get any trades today.
Don't say that.
Because I don't want to rush. I've already secured 7% this week, so it would be really bad if I would give back all the hard work. But on 5 minutes, it also gave the setup. But again, it's in the bottom side. It has already come down a lot. I mean, there could be entry from behind. I mean, above the weeks. Wait, that's the wrong chart. Oh, sorry. This is the right chart. On a 5 minute, it actually gave the sell, but I don't know.
Well, I trust you right now. I trust you more than I trust myself in this trade, so I'm here to learn. Let's do. When there is a setup, we trade, and if there is no setup, then we cry. Interesting.
I mean, I would like to at least get some sort of retracement.
I would
maybe 3988, but might not come.
It keeps dropping. What if I would tell you that I went in on the sale before?
Good.
I did not. I was listening to you. No gamble. No gamble. By the way, Antti, did you read my book?
No, you haven't sent it to me.
What do you mean I have not sent it to you? You need to buy the book. What I'm sending to you? Huh. It's in Amazon. And it's good.
Okay.
It's a good book. I can give you a discount. 5% for my best friend discount.
So I'm looking the daily closure of yesterday.
And
It's very bearish.
I'm
But
right
I was
now
really...
scrolling in a computer a little bit right now when I'm waiting right now, and I find so cool stuff in here. You have no idea. Continue, by the way, you're talking about it yesterday.
Yeah, if I'm just looking based on the candles closure, it actually closed through the previous wicks, which is very bearish, and weekly is also closing today. Wow, weekly is closing also super bearish. So next week definitely going lower, but in the beginning it might retrace a little bit, but let's see. But still, I was really hoping that we get some solid retracement today so we can get into a good sell and hold throughout the next week, but seems like we don't. By the way, one more thing. The reason why I'm also not rushing in right now is that just, I think last week we had similar situation. I can actually show you also. So
sure.
If I remove my candles and I go to 4 hour, and I hide my drawings. So let's go to futures. Where is this now? Here, this one. You see this candle over here?
1 second. I'm gonna come into
like this one.
Screen. Yeah, tell.
You see this candle over here,
sure.
The 4 hour?
Yeah.
Yeah? This blue one.
Yes, I can see.
So on the futures chart last week, this 4 hour closed kind of bearish. This one, it's the same candle, but on futures it closed bullish. But in CFDs, the charts that we see in MetaTrader and StarTrader, it actually closed bearish.
Why?
And I was in the cells over here, and then the market shoot up. And also on the futures chart, it was red, but literally 30 minutes before closure, it went into blue or green, whatever color you have it, and then it went up 600 pips straight. And I got stop loss. I got stopped out over here. I took like 2% loss because of this. Because I was looking the CFD charts, it's bearish. I went in, and then futures chart actually closed bullish just 30 minutes before the candle closure. So that's also like for example, right now here it is bearish closure. It actually closed through the lows over here, right?
Yeah.
But in futures, the candle is not closed yet.
Yeah.
It's still 1 hour, 2 minutes to close.
Okay.
So there is a chance also that in the next 1 hour, this candle closes bullish. And this would mean that we didn't have a solid break downwards.
So if it is
that's
bullish,
what I'm also kind of...
Yeah, so if it closes bullish, then we don't have a new structure. If it closes bearish, then it's probably gonna drop, yeah? Something now happened with the internet.
And there is two options, as I already mentioned. So I can hear you. So there is two options. Either the price closes through the structure and just flies through straight, or it breaks down a little bit and then retraces, and then we get to set up entry. Because if I look here for the last 3 weeks, the last big drop over here.
By the way, Antti,
for example,
Antti, when you're scrolling with your trading view so much, your internet goes like really bad. And everything jams.
Oh.
Now it's okay again.
Can you see now?
Now it's okay.
Okay. So this was also 3-week consolidation. Kind of similar setup. We were forming lower highs, 3 weeks, same like now. And then the 4-hour closure got through the structure and then it absolutely melted down. Like, I think this was, yeah, what is that? 342 pips. Sorry, $342. So that's 3,400 pips in the regular charts. So that's insane movement. But because the 4-hour closed through the structure. So that's what I'm kind of waiting now as well to happen over here.
All right. Ay, 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 ay.
Nothing's happening.
Let's see. Is there something? Huh.
Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Da-da, da-da. What it is a good for absolutely nothing.
You know what happened last week?
I know.
No, you don't.
I know. Let me
Also,
let me guess. You go to the
tell me.
workout.
No, nothing to do with workout. It's about trading. So
You
one
blow
thing
up your
that
account.
no, one thing that USA loves to do on weekends, especially on Saturdays, is bombing other countries or
Ah, yeah, yeah,
start
of course.
military operations. So last week Friday, I was already heavily selling gold and I made huge profits. Like I think 12% or 13 or something in one single day. And then all the news started to come that the peace talks have failed and has had enough and blah blah blah. So a lot of tensions rising again around Middle East. So I let in two sell orders left in, and it literally triggered few minutes before the market closes. So I was also a little bit lucky, so to speak, because the market came, triggered my orders, and then market closed. And I woke up in Monday morning. I woke up Monday morning. I opened my MetaTrader. I'm looking, oh, nice 6% floating profit because it opened with a big cap downwards. And that's also one possibility that's going to happen this weekend because the price is already coming very low. So maybe the market opens up with a big 400 pip gap downwards. And when this usually happens, usually the gaps are going to get filled up, like they get filled. So when it opens with a gap, the market maybe goes down a little bit more and then it comes and fills at least 50%. But this didn't happen actually this week because on Monday the gap opening was over here and it only tapped in here where I actually had my A plus setup waiting, but I canceled it because of the CPI news. But yeah, it was the gap that opened it, and then after that it had massive meltdown. But let's see how it's gonna open on Monday, this Monday.
Okay. Well, I'm happy that you Antti almost made money.
I mean, Monday I made good money. Tuesday we didn't make much money, just this 0.8%. Wednesday, what we didn't get anything on Wednesday, right?
No, once again.
We got stopped out. You actually made profit,
I make a
but
profit
I
then.
moved my stop loss too early into entries.
Yeah, of course.
And
of course.
also on the Wednesday morning, we was in the buys at 4,005, and we also closed it because market was a little bit weird. But later on, the CPI made huge push up, and yesterday we didn't trade. We missed the trade with 70 pips. We missed out on 6-7% profit. And today again, I don't know. Let's see if we get it or we miss it. But actually, I have one potential sell setup waiting that I'm eyeing because the market already came down a little bit earlier than I was anticipating. So one potential setup could be that the place where it started to move down, maybe we can get here a solid entry. So it comes, retraces up, we enter, stop loss would be approximately 147 pips. And first TP would be the previous low, which would be 300 pips. A nice solid 2 risk reward ratio, 2-1.
Okay. Okay. Screen capture.
Kent, you know what I was thinking also?
Not really. It's very hard to determine what is happening in your small little head. But I'm sorry you're gonna tell me.
I was thinking to create kind of a challenge where everybody can participate and join, and the challenge is for 30 days we can do 2 challenges. Or like let's talk about first challenge first. So our main VIP group, where we have 7 different traders who are giving signals. We could make a 30 days challenge that every London session or every New York session, every single day, we all who are part of the challenge, we come into a video conference call and we take the setups together. So when a new person is coming on board, they don't have to take the trades themselves and maybe fuck up, but actually they will do exactly what we do and use the proper risk management. So we are also kind of a accountability buddies to each other. And I think that would be really cool challenge. And
that we are coming into the call? What do you mean? Like a Zoom call?
Like all together, conference call, like, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 people, everybody funds their account with $200-300. And then we take the same setups every single day from the signal providers.
That's kind of the idea. That's kind of the idea. What's the purpose of these Zooms as well, or these live calls, that we would be able to get the community together, because it's like it is kind of like going into training together with a friend, you know.
Yeah.
Because like when we are in live and in here, like we need to make a decision, and when we're talking through, it is more likely to be true, because then it cannot be like a gamble, you know. If I'm starting to make a trade, then you would immediately like ask why, or don't do it, like it's not the right moment. Or if I'm asking from you also the same, is like, okay, is right now the setup or something, whatever, is like then you need to have like kind of an explanation. If you don't have an explanation, it means it's a gamble, you know, you don't see anything. And if we see both, then it's more likely to be true. And this kind of the point of these live calls as well. But I also agree with you, when we have a little bit more community, or at least more people, or actually, you know what, you're right, let's do it like this. I will talk also with some people who are now maybe not been in all of the lives, but watching some and want to learn. Let's get a couple of people at least on, and let's talk it through, because eventually, you know, we can, even this kind of calls where we put the people into the live, we can, with the Google Meet, we can put also a lot of people in a live, you know. We are not limited by any of this, so we can actually like ask more people to come. Sometimes somebody else can speak and talk also, you know, we can connect people together. This is also very easy to do, like if you have more people. I think it's more fun as well. Sure, when you wanna do it. What it is good for, when
we
you
could
wanna
speak with,
do it.
I think we should do a little bit promotion for it first. I mean, talk to our friends, post in the groups, and post on social media, and this weekend. So if we can get some commitment from people, we can. Then we know. If we have enough people, we can already start on Monday.
Sure.
That would be nice, because back in the days in 2020, I was hosting live sessions as well. We were also using an indicator called Aero, similar to this.
Called
and
what?
I was hosting it Aero, Aero, however you pronounce it.
In Estonian, we would say Eero.
Aero. Estonian is
No,
Aero.
Estonian name.
Anyway,
normal name.
I was hosting these calls, and we were taking the trades together. And back in the day, we were only trading GBP pair. We had a little bit different strategy. Basically, we marked out the Asia high, Asia low, and whenever the London broke the Asia high or Asia low, we enter instantly into the market. We waited for 15-minute or 30-minute candle closure through the zone. We entered. TP was 20 pips. Stop loss was 40 pips. And I actually made a challenge to myself. I deposited $100, and in 3 weeks I had $1,200 because I was risking on average like 10% per trade, and the success rate was kind of 80%. So 8 trades or 7 trades out of 10 was always TP. So that was kind of fun, and the whole community was printing money in these live sessions. We always had like 20-30 people in the Zoom calls. And we were sitting there, sometimes only 30 minutes, sometimes 2 hours, depends how fast the market goes.
Okay. I think it's an excellent idea. Let's see now. Vaata laivi korra. Kohe varsti. I was replicating your screen.
Like?
It's still there. Still the old one. You should see the screen. Screen soon.
How did you do it?
You already see it in live?
Yeah.
Yeah. Funny. I'm still seeing old feed.
Looks very nice. I'm in the bottom, you are in the top.
Yeah, so but I just changed it. I was just taking this as a test in here. So basically what I did is like your screen. So basically my screen is just my video capture, my webcam. And your screen is the Google Chrome or Google Chrome window where the call is coming inside. But I cut out only, like I crop only into your video window. You understand? I crop only this small part of the window, and this is how it works. But look, we have also right now, as you see in the screen, we have right now actually I don't know if it is or not. Let me see right now. Is only
this trading view doesn't move.
Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna change that.
It's like a picture or something. Or I mean, I'm looking in a different time zone.
No, I don't know. Maybe it has crashed. This is right now coming directly from TradingView. But why it doesn't change?
It's your screen. It's your screen, no?
Yes, but it's like
no.
What do you see in the live right now? You see right now in the live. I'm sharing TradingView only. And this one is moving or not? Because the clock is ticking, but I don't see any movement at all.
I mean, it's so small. You need to zoom in.
No, it's not so small anymore. But why is it not moving? Ah, it is moving.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah, Antti. Okay, come on, Donald, tweet something. Wanna see some
We have a
action?
peace talk.
Too bad. Too bad. Let's see now. Anti-screen view. What do you think right now? What is more likely what we're gonna get? I think we are probably we don't reach.
I mean,
I don't think that we are
so
gonna get into that level before as we were the day before.
I mean, it's so weird market action right now. I mean, it's not moving. It's just sitting.
I wanna go to the gym. Is like I think the gym is gonna be closed like 10. I'm already at 8:30. Right now, from some sense, it would be perfect to go in the evening.
I'm thinking of sells, by the way, but it's on a smaller time frame. 30
I mean,
minutes
like
also
if we would sell. Now we are a little bit late to sell, or don't you think?
That's the thing. I don't want to sell in from this price area.
I mean, like it depends, like how many pips you want to make out of that trade and how big risk. It's like it's probably gonna work, but the risk is like big. Where you gonna put the stop loss?
Yeah. It needs to be above swing highs.
Stop loss is like 100 pips away.
What I was thinking is this.
Say only when you are thinking something smart.
So what I was thinking is this. It was also a little bit consolidating here a little bit on a 5-minute time frame, but obviously it's such a small time frame.
Yeah.
I was thinking to enter here and set the stop loss like 70 pips. But again, it's too small time frame and I don't like the 30-minute. Not so much.
You know, when I used to trade crypto, then I always trade like this, that when you have like a big long candle like this, I just wait until it's gonna drop drop as much as possible, or drop like when there is long drops like this, and it was in most of the cases it was like just like some kind of manipulation or sweep of liquidity or whatever stuff, you know.
Yeah.
And then like almost always it recover right away after that, and it usually recover in 15 to 20 minutes, you know. It goes not in the same point, but let's say it's like if it's gonna drop, then it's like it's gonna definitely make a bounce back another 30 to 40% of the candle size, you know. And I always like try when it was already going down, then I try to find the bottom, so I make like one order, then it drops more, I make another order, and like this I make so much profits like out of that.
Yep. True.
But now we are trading gold. Nobody's rug pulling gold.
Huh?
Nobody's rug pulling gold.
Yeah.
If somebody's watching, do you guys trade crypto still? Have you lately traded any crypto? And if you have, did you win or lose?
Everybody only talks about wins, but never about the losses.
No, I can talk about the losses. Whole day I can talk about the losses. I have lost so many years in a row. But I also win that money. So it's like actually I win a lot of money, and had a lot of wins and a lot of good months and good years also. But it's very easy to trade in a bullish market. Like if in a crypto, in the case of crypto, it's just like if the market is like a bullish and there is a bull market and people are coming into the market, overall sentiment is anyway positive. So it like if you have enough liquidity and you don't over leverage the trades, every trade what you're gonna do is positive anyway. So it's like in that sense like very easy to trade, very easy to trade. But I don't know. It's like when now is like last 1 year, 1.5 years, even maybe 2 years, the crypto market changed so much when the institutions were coming in. So before it was like person to person and people mostly and whatever, people with the trading bots and so on. But now it's like there is so much like this institutional money, and they have so big volume, so they can like do whatever with the price, and it can be like a total bull market, and they're gonna just do a rug pull for you with with the biggest cryptos. So it's like I don't know. It's like you cannot like swing it like this anymore. Or maybe you can, but like I don't know how to. Before it was so easy. Like really make hundreds of thousands of dollars, like just making everything 5x or 10x, and just look at the direction, just swing it, Simple.
Yep.
Those days are over. What do you think? What is the next crypto trend? Did you also have like? Did you buy also yourself in the land in the virtual environment? That's the most stupid thing what people were doing. Or okay, the monkey faces is worse.
And that's not. I mean, that's so crazy to me. I remember this when people came to me and said, "Oh, I'm gonna buy this and that." In virtual reality, freaking paying 100,000 euros or dollars. I'm like, why you don't buy?
I have the same fucking question. Why you're not buying a apartment for yourself? What is real?
Yeah. Where are you now?
That is wild.
Nowhere.
That's wild. It's the same thing is with this monkey art. Monkey art is like they're paying like 5k, 10k for NFT, but it's like. In the same way, you could buy with 5k, 10k also real art, but would actually grow in value as well. But it's the same thing. The stupid thing about the NFTs and stuff was this, that the idea of NFT was this, that we are gonna authenticate one real one, or like what is the first picture, and nobody else is able to replicate. Let's say if it is a photo or art, but this is actually even the core principle was wrong, because the NFT is made out of JPEG file. So the original file still was JPEG, and this original file was already copied multiple times, because every directory where you send it in your computer is already copied. When you send it in a server to make it actually into NFT, it's already copied again, and the copied again is like already I don't know how many copies. Even if you draw it yourself, it's already copied multiple times before it becomes an NFT. So it's like you still don't have original one, and then it's like you buy this. I don't know, people were buying this the faces what they put in their TikTok and whatever icon, and the other guy can come just and screenshot it and put it as well. So nobody can ask you the ticket. It's like, did you buy this monkey or you screenshot this monkey? So silly, come on. Look what happened in the market meanwhile.
Yep, and that's why I didn't want to sell down there.
But maybe now we need to sell. But if this is gonna go bounce back from the red, like what is around 4,000, you should sell now or no? You think it's gonna go through?
Right now what I was looking is that basically 1st of July low is here, and it just tapped into this liquidity.
I have to say, Antti, that you have so much knowledge about the market overall, and so many things that you're checking before you're making a trade. So that's amazing.
Yeah. whenever the market taps into long-term liquidity, it can actually not respect this area and
Yeah.
shoot even higher into our original sell zone.
Yeah.
That can be the case. And again, the futures chart is about in 20 minutes, close in 20 minutes, and where is this 4 hour here? So that's something that I want to see as well. Because, for example, if I remove this, my indicator, so for example, this 4 hour, it didn't kind of close through strongly. It only wicked. And what happened after? It shoot up. Again, here the same thing. It failed to close through, it shot up. Here it failed to go close through, it shot up. And here as well. So we need a strong push through to really validate that this structure has been broken, and then we go down like very heavy. Oh, look at this now, what's happening.
That's very cool. I would sell from here, for example. Is like, if I would do it alone right now, I would go in a sell like this moment.
I'm still not sure that this is the trade that we'd want to take. We would actually hit the stop loss almost if we had a pending order.
Sup? Lonely or what? Sup? Huh? Ah, I will get it before the shop is gonna be closed. I promise. My girlfriend wants something from the shop. I told before that I'm gonna take it when I come from the gym. But now we are waiting in here. Come on, what happened? I don't know if this one is gonna now drop and I did not take the trade. It's like I'm not gonna have a good weekend.
Why not?
No, I'm joking. I don't care about it. Chill. I have like I'm trading right now with $250 account. Why should I care about? Why should I care about the $5 trade?
I mean, there is always opportunities, more and more and more.
I'm already in first week. I'm 15% up, or 14 or something.
Yep.
Only 3 trades. So for me it's like I'm happy. I already have done the 1 month result in 1 week. You know? Not even 1 week, 3 days. So I better stay away from the trades, but it's not like not so potential. I don't know. By the way, guys, also if you're looking and you want to like actually start earning money with the trading, then this is like it's totally possible. When you get into trading, you're probably gonna like if you get lucky and you're in a trading, you might be doing very good in the first months. And if you don't learn, then you start losing a lot. And then you're gonna lose all of your money. And then you're gonna learn for next 5 years to 10 years, and then you start making money again.
Yep, exactly.
And meanwhile, what you can do is like you can always become an affiliate, because sales is always paying out very well. You can bring people who actually know how to trade into your organization under your broker. You're gonna be paid from the volume. You're gonna earn another extra salary on top for yourself. Maybe these people who you bring, maybe they're better traders than you, then they can teach you how to trade. So you're gonna have another income source. If you get lucky and you already get like pretty good, you're smart, learning, you can like understand the core principles. You can make yourself basically an account what other people are able to copy, and if you do like decent percentage, and it doesn't have to be crazy, if you make 10% plus per month and your drawdown is maybe under 10%, I think you're gonna just generally you're gonna get also people who are gonna trade, who is gonna copy your trades, and you're gonna earn also from there. So there is a lot of possibilities, and then there is like a funded accounts. Have you done Antti the funded accounts?
Not really, but I have been recently thinking about it a little bit. The reason why I haven't
now you're pretty good already. Now you're pretty good already, and I think you could get. But the terms are pretty rough in there, right?
I mean, the reason why I haven't done it is because I know what's happening in the back end. The challenge that you buy or the business model itself, it's kind of acting on a gray area. It's a legit Ponzi scheme, actually. You pay for the challenge, $500, you get a $100,000 account, you pass it with the very strict rules, and then you can collect 70 or 80 or 90% of the profits. It's a profit split. And if you manage not to fuck up any rules, you get the payout. But where the profits are coming from is not coming from real trading. It's all simulation. So you are still technically trading with demo account, and the profits that you generate with this demo account, they actually come from people who lose the challenge. So when you go against the rules or you don't follow the risk management, you go over the drawdown limit, the challenge that you paid $500, this will be company's money, and this money is being utilized for the people who are profitable. That's why there are also rules, consistency rules. Let's say one day you make 1%, another day you make 10%, then this is not consistent profit for them. That's only implemented because they don't want to go bankruptcy, because that's what
they
makes
don't want
them
that, because there is also a lot of traders who are very good and who would otherwise beat the challenges, and if there is many enough, of these guys, then they have payouts bigger than the other ones. But also
but at the same time, just recently also a lot of prop firms went into bankruptcy, but there is still a few that are still working. The biggest one is probably FTMO challenge, that have been around here, I don't know, 5+ years probably. Yeah, more than 5 years. I remember already in 2020 it was out, so it's more than 5 years, more than 6 years. And it's still paying. A few of my friends are trading with funded accounts, and I think that could be a great opportunity for you if you don't have much money. If you're broke but you want to learn, you want to.
How much is the smallest entry?
But again, before I get into this, so if you want to learn, at first you should learn with demo account, but also at the same time treat the demo account as a live account. Don't gamble, follow the risks. And let's say just take $10,000 demo account, just practice. If you beat the system, you're profitable, your risk is improper, then take a $10,000 challenge account. It's most likely 50 or 70 bucks, and that money you have. Because with 50 or 70 bucks, it's very challenging to trade and grow that small pocket money into something substantial, right? That actually are worth of your time to trade. But you can get the funded account with $10,000, pass it up, get some profits out. The first month, maybe you get out, I don't know, let's say 5%. That's $500. This $500, take another $200, $300, buy a 25 or 50K account, pass this up. So you can actually scale up, but your initial money is only $70, not $500, because most likely at the very first ones, you are most likely going to blow up. So the funded accounts can be a way for you to get into your hands into some bigger money, and you can generate yourself some real capital. So eventually take out from funded challenge, try to take out 2, 3, 5, maybe 10K, and then you have your very own capital. So you don't have to follow these very strict rules. I don't know, but most likely also the rules have changed now. I remember back in the day, you could not keep the trades open over the weekend, but now with some modes or the challenge settings you actually maybe can. I've heard something. So I personally haven't traded it, but I've been thinking recently because my risk management is pretty on top on spot. And if you risk, let's say 0.25% per trade, you can go wrong 10%. That's what 40 times. 40 times you can fuck up your setup before you are out of the game, you know, and 40 trades to go wrong is very unlikely. For example, you have seen, we have been trading now 1 week together with me. You have been trading. We haven't taken not a single stop loss. We either had a profit or we either had a break even. And that's a pretty good statistic already. And I think with that kind of strategy, yes, we might miss out some trades. We missed out yesterday, we missed out now. But at the same time, we also haven't taken not a single loss. So that's a good thing.
Okay.
So let's see.
Okay, so my gym is gonna be closed, so I guess I'm not gonna.
You do home gym, you do push-ups and squats and.
I went on the run yesterday for 6 kilometers. So today I wanted to make like a proper training because I have not been 1 month almost in the gym. So now when I was traveling and I was in Vietnam, I did not go. I didn't go to the gym, and right now. I don't know right now, it's like, it's weird. We would like, if there would not be this order block in there, then what is the time frame what you're showing right now?
15 minutes.
I don't know. So if you look at like this, that the last lows, last drop is like, it might be just like a whatever thing from the market opening or whatever, making so big low, and it can go still in the same direction as it was going before, and that is still growing. But I don't know. I cannot look so many signs as you. I'm looking like this, that if it's going up or down. I'm just drawing the triangles. And for me it feels like, okay, now it went like it did like a proper drop, and I would find right now an entry and I would short it like somewhere in here, in that order block side. Yeah, exactly this sign I was doing before. And these windows and stuff also can be tuned as well. It's good, like I will make myself tomorrow, or like in a weekend, I will make the background also that I can have another one. So it's like me and you, it's like I can swap between the views as well. Because when I go live, then I can get. Yeah. Anyway, tell.
And we can also change the layout a little bit. We don't have to use the one that I have created right now.
I don't know. It's like it looks good overall.
Okay.
I think it looks good now when the quality is good. Like it's totally different. I would change the background image a little bit. The blinking thing, I think I would take away.
Okay.
And I would do it like this, that maybe the screen or that the graph would be a little bit bigger compared with the rest of the things, because our screen is bigger and it could share more information, but it's like 1/3 of the screen right now, maybe max is the chart, and it's like pretty far. Pretty far. In a phone, for example, is hard to follow. in a desktop is like okay.
You know what we can do? We can do this.
But also in that sense is like okay, I can do also the trading view share directly.
We can do this and then trading view. Not to this one. Like this.
Okay, 1 second. I will check. Sizes are better, but it was looking prettier before because now it's like messy.
What do you mean messy?
It means that I'm gonna put it in live. You're gonna see in a moment. You should see it anytime soon. Anytime now. You should see it right now. It's live right now. You can see the upper part of the window is like just higher than your camera, for example.
You mean this one?
That it's like it's not synchronized. And actually, it's like when I'm looking right now. I don't know if you see it as well, but your screen background, the blue background, is not also filling the full screen. The blue background that you have in the back, it is starting like it would have much more.
I know. I don't know why. I don't know why it's not sharing properly through the Google Meet.
It's actually today it's so much better than yesterday because at least now we know that the quality is okay. Quality is okay, so we can just try to find like what is the best video channel for doing the video call meanwhile. So Google Meet is like pretty good, but well, it's so surprising that these guys have done so good marketing that Video Ninja is like so highly rated as an even though that's just like really the worst tool what you can have. It's like unbelievable.
That is unbelievable.
And the other one also, what you were doing, the other one was not for video calls, it was changing the OBS into what was the other one, Pixel what?
What Pixel?
What's the other program what you tried to use yesterday instead of OBS?
I'm using it right now. It's the Streamlabs.
Streamlabs.
I'm doing it through the Streamlabs. Yeah, because going live over here is, I don't know, it seems more easier for me. And overall, if you want to add any type of source, then it has description what something means. So if you're doing something, looking for something, it's so much more faster and easier to find.
Okay.
Plus, it's also not taking so much resources from my Mac.
Okay.
So
I will try that as well, but it's like for OBS, like I really hated it in the beginning because also it's so complicated. But now it's like when I do like a couple of scenes and I test it and try it out a little bit, then I see that actually it's like it's a very good program. Like
it is.
The UI could be better, but overall it's like everything is more like just like you need to learn to use it. Like if you it doesn't have like this like we are using MacBooks, like okay, so for everybody who is watching, we are using iPhones and MacBooks, so we are like pretty stupid with the technology. We don't know how to calibrate it. So we just like when we click yes play and then it's gonna freaking play, you know. But with a lot of programs, it's not like this. So you need to become like a freaking developer and make your research for a weekend, you know, test it out 2 days, you know, and then you're gonna know like what button to click and what not to click, you know.
Yep. And by the way,
It was going through, by the way, from that previous price level.
Yeah.
From the order
So
block.
as you can see, the 4 hour doesn't look so clean anymore in the futures, and that's exactly what I was a little bit afraid of. So we still hold this super strong baseline support area. So
Yeah.
to go into short, I personally don't have a solid confirmation
I
yet.
would not short also anymore. Actually, maybe yes, I would short, but I would wait a little bit until it's like 4.030 or somewhere like that, 25 or like a little bit higher, because right now it's like it started like rising again. So overall sentiment in my eyes at least is going down, and
Overall, yes.
I would do like entry like a little bit higher. And also there is order block this next. Oh, how beautiful green! How beautiful green was just coming into a screen. If you're looking, what is this now? 15 minutes, I think.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Just
Yeah.
appeared. So
I have 1 hour also.
By the way,
Get them.
by the way, a lot of times people ask me, these arrows, they appear randomly, yeah? I said no, they only appear from the candle closure, and that was a very good example how the candle or how the arrow is being formed. It is being formed or it appears after the candle closes. And this is also the kind of
but
signal or alert.
We miss a very beautiful trade in here, and also but actually no, but it's strange because like if you take 15 minute chart, for example, 3 candles back, there is this long green one what was like very long.
Yeah. By the way, you are sharing your screen, yeah?
I'm sharing right now trading view, and now I'm sharing.
Yeah, you are sharing trading view. By the way, we can do something because your arrows are very small. I don't know why. Open the settings in the indicator in the top left hand side.
I feel that we missed Antti like 3 trades today already.
What do you mean?
Like when we come in, there was like a possibility to go in. When we don't, and we were talking in between.
The sell.
What do you think now? It was bouncing back right now from the if we are taking 15 minute order block. Do you see also the red line in there or no? The same 4,000 level, and it's like totally like pushes back. I would go in. You would not? Because I think it's gonna go again. It's like 397 something. Big drop ahead.
I have a feeling that it's going up, but not sure.
Okay, then it's like if you're thinking that way, then I definitely don't trade. Then I definitely don't short right now.
I mean, the 1 hour closer was too bullish for me.
Now 1 hour is like something is happening. There is like so bullish move. If I would go with a hunch, then definitely I would short. But I cannot trade in here with a hunch. the deal was that we are doing real trades, but we don't gamble. 2 hours already we are in live, by the way.
We need to start doing TikTok lives.
Yeah. Why? You wanna do the dancing video?
No, in TikTok you can get a lot of traffic. With 2 hours of watching time and talking, we would probably have few hundred views at least.
What happened with my camera?
What? Let me check. Me no. Ma ei tea enam.
Okay, sorry, I was right now putting the other one. What is kind of showing the same thing. But
Okay.
Your chart is a little bit better. Where your chart is coming from? TradingView or what?
TradingView. Open the settings. In the top, you see on the left side you have this indicator with the long numbers in the end. Click on it.
You mean the one Wi-Fi Money Club, yeah?
Yeah. There is this mutrimärk settings.
Settings, okay. Got it. Style, visibility.
Ma ei näe seda praegu, aga põhimõtteliselt.
So inputs, arrow.
Nii.
Arrow offset, arrow size.
Arrow text size, pane mingi huge või midagi.
Large or huge. Let's put
Proovi.
huge.
Mitte style'i alt, input'i alt. Ja seesama jah. Nii, arrow, neid ei muuda, seal see, kus sul normal.
Juba tehtud, ne? Juba tehtud, kohe hakkab järgi jõudma vaikselt.
Okay. Ma alles siin näen.
Ma just mõtlesin, et Pekki mul on juba mingi natuke aega tagasi juba tehtud, näed.
No nii, nüüd nooled paistavad palju paremini.
Nooled paistavad palju paremini tõesti, aga üks ütleb mine üles, teine ütleb mine alla. Võib-olla peaks hoopis panema praegu bearish, noh. Aga kui me praegu bearish'is treidiks, me paneme overall nagu sentimenti vastu ju.
Ma just tahtsingi öelda, vaata. Üks asi, mida ma jälgin ka.
In English, sorry, again the Moldovan accent.
Yeah, I forgot also. So one more thing that I always look is that if I have multi-time frame confluences, or in other words, simple terms, if my 1 hour shows buy, my 30 minutes show buy, 15 minutes show buy, then the potential buy setup is more probable. But if I got kind of a mixed signals, for example, 1 hour shows buy, 4 hours shows me sell, and 30 minutes doesn't show anything, 15 minutes is also buy. So I have kind of mixed signals that if I'm having mixed signals, I just don't trade. I just look what's happening, and maybe later I get a better understanding where the market wants to go, and then I'm going to get in. And sometimes I don't get in. It doesn't matter, because tomorrow is not another day in trading, but I mean, if I wanted to, I could trade Bitcoin tomorrow. But again, Monday is another day, and on Monday I can trade Asia session. If Asia session, let's say, doesn't do anything, I can wait and check what's happening in London. If London doesn't do anything, then I'm gonna come back in a few hours and check what's gonna happen in New York. And then another thing, again, coming back to this indicator, you don't have to sit 2 hours, 3 hours behind the screen. You can do whatever you're doing every day.
Yes, you can put a blinger on.
Spend time with the family. Ding, ding, ding. Exactly. Your alert system is on, and then
you can by the way connect this alert system. You can connect it even into your Telegram, so you can carry around with your phone or you can actually the alert system you can even indicate to make the trades for you if you want, but I don't suggest that to do it right away. But it's like the automation out of this is also very easy to do.
By the way, I actually created a strategy tester here in TradingView.
Okay.
And I need to a little bit fine tune it, but basically the strategy that I created for this to be able to automate this would be based on either 30 minutes, 1 hour, and it would do kind of two trade style. So the first entry would be from the candle close. Let's say there is let's say this one, for example. You can see my screen, yeah?
I can see.
So let's say here is this entry setup. So the first order would be from the candle close, and the stop loss would be above the previous weeks. And then the second trade would be then from the order block if it comes to retrace.
Yeah.
So it would be basically like a two trade setup based one signal or one entry or one signal, and then this would be the strategy. And I actually got it working pretty well, but the only problem with TradingView strategy tester is that there is no way how you can code in the leverage, like we have 1 to 500 or 500 to 1. So I couldn't get the quite correct data, but it was profitable. And the next step would be to use the what is this? Basically APIs.
Okay.
And you connect this strategy with your MetaTrader, and then we would need to run it on demo a few months to collect actual data, and then we can modify it to see if it's not still profitable or we can make it more profitable. Then within few months we could really get real market data, and after that we could actually put it running on a live account. So yeah, everything's possible, sir. But on Monday we should do the Asia session together.
Okay.
Because I'm sure that if market today doesn't do much, on Monday we definitely have some solid opportunities, and maybe there is a gap or something, so we could monetize that as well.
Sure. Right now, I don't know. I think it's gonna take a long time before we're gonna reach that level. What do you think? What we should do? Are we gonna go on, or we're gonna wrap it up and just people who are interested they can come into our group?
I'm thinking, should we try a sell over here or not? But probably not.
I mean, randomly, I would not do it. Or what?
Yeah, better not.
We had a very beautiful buy opportunity in here.
Where?
Before, when we were in a bottom, but it would go against our rules just. When I was telling you about like how this this red candle always is like you know good to like anyway, doesn't matter. You can talk also, Antti, meanwhile when
I was just looking.
When you're thinking.
US 30 made a huge rally up.
I wonder why. God bless you. God bless you.
Bless you.
Somebody's making something with chili.
jah, ma enne mõtlesin, et GBP pair'i pealt oleks hea pai saada, 40 pippi. Tuli ikka enam. Kas meil praegu kedagi, tähendab, kas mingeid küsimusi on, kellelgi ei ole vist?
People not asking questions. Too smart. La 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 la. What we gonna do now?
Nüüd kämm toimis. Ma ei tea, miks vahepeal kämm ei toimi. Võtsin blingi maha.
Are we gonna short this thing today or not? Or we just leave the old orders?
Not right now.
God bless you. God bless you. What did you fry? Oh my god. Woo. I feel sneezing also. La 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 la. What do you think, Antti?
Nothing. Waiting.
Okay, let's wait a little bit more.
You can do some push-ups in the meantime.
Whatever, I'm not gonna do any push-ups. I go fat because of you now.
Because of me, why?
Because I can go and grow the muscles, or I can stay and grow the wallet.
Look now, 5 minutes gave a buy signal, but it started to run right away.
But if right now the buy signal is like it's pretty high right now already up, or don't you think?
Yeah.
It would do some retrace first.
I mean, it's no trade zone for me right now.
No.
Oh, jaa. Kuule, ma pean varsti ka pakkima kokku ka asjad, mul naine peab varakult ärkama.
Very cool. So you wanna wrap it up? You wanna finish? You wanna finish without the trade?
I think you don't get anything today. I have a feeling that it's gonna push up a little bit, but let's see. I think our audience who is gonna watch it also from the replay got pretty good insights based on like what to look out of from the markets, to wait for the confirmations, look multiple time frames, also always cross check between the futures chart, because it's very often gives you more clearer market structure and an outlook where the market potentially is going, not just based on the CFD charts, which is in Oanda or FXEM or some other broker graphic.
Okay, but let's wrap it up then. Has been a very interesting past 2 hours or 3. I'm getting sleepy already. So no trade today. Friday failure. And next one is gonna be Money Monday. So so let's do it. Let's make it happen. Okay, Antti, thanks for coming. Let's finish the stream.
Okay.
Cheers.
Awesome. See you on Monday. Ciao.
See you on Monday.